Welcome back everyone. So today we will start with the nutrition in other animals. So other animals like we will discuss about the grass eating animals. Grass eating animals are known as herbivores. So you have mostly you have seen that the cows, buffaloes, they continuously chewing grass and leaves for a longer period of time है ना, without taking any break to refill their mouth. Why it is so? Have you ever think about why they continuously chewing the grass and leaves, or you can say others plant eating products है ना, other plant products for a longer period of time without any break? Because these cows and buffaloes and other animals, those who you can say those who comes under the herbivores, they eat the plant products. They eat the plant products, green parts of the plants, and in those plant parts the cellulose is present. What is present in them? Cellulose is present, which is a type of carbohydrate, and this is very complex substance. So to break that cellulose, they needs to you can say they continuous chewing for a longer period of time without any break. So in this topic we will read about that how they digest that cellulose. That is a complex substance. In human body we cannot digest cellulose because this is a very complex substance, and in human bodies there is no enzyme. ठीक है, there is no enzyme to digest that cellulose. So that's why we cannot, human body cannot digest that cellulose. Only herbivores are there that can digest this cellulose, and under herbivores only some animals are there that can digest cellulose. Like which animals are there? Like goat, sheep, giraffe, camel, yak, cow, buffalo. ठीक है, so these are the animals which can digest cellulose, and there are some animals which are, you can say, which cannot digest, or which are non-ruminants, like horse, rabbit and rodents. These are non-ruminants. So first of all we will read about that read about their digestive system and how they digest this cellulose. So in the animals, these type of animals, clear, they have their digestive system, and their digestive system has four chambers. Their stomach has four chambers. First is known as rumen, second one is reticulum, third one is omasum, and last one is the avomasum. So these are the four chambers that are present in their stomach, and these they have also contain some microorganisms that help them to digest the cellulose. Clear? And such animals are known as ruminants. Such animals are known as ruminants which can digest cellulose. Clear everyone? Okay, now the next one is, let us read about that how this digestion takes place. First of all, when the cow starts eating, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब काऊ बाहर से खाना लेती है, ठीक है, सपोज द काऊ इज ईटिंग ग्रास. क्लियर? व्हेन द काऊ स्टार्ट्स ईटिंग इट क्विकली च्यूज एंड स्वेलोज द प्लांट पार्ट्स लाइक ग्रास एंड लीव्स. तो ये जल्दी से उसको एकदम से च्यू कर लेती है और उसको स्वेलो कर लेती है, अंदर ले जाती है. ठीक है, देन दिस च्यूड फूड पासेज थ्रू अ टेम्परेरी स्टोरेज ऑर्गन नोन एज रूमेन. तो सबसे पहले दैट chewed food temporarily stores into the first chamber of the stomach, that is known as rumen. यहाँ पे store हो जाता है. Clear? And after some time it moves to the second chamber of the stomach, that is known as reticulum. So this is the second chamber of the stomach. Then chewed food passes to the second chamber, that is reticulum. Okay, now after that from the reticulum cow brings back the food into the mouth. उसके बाद रेटिकुलम से फूड कहाँ पे वापस आ जाता है? काऊ के माउथ में. क्लियर? सो फ्रॉम द रेटिकुलम द काऊ ब्रिंग्स बैक दिस च्यूड फूड इनटू हर माउथ. क्लियर एवरीवन? एंड देन द काऊ continuously, you can say, chews it further for a longer period of time. Okay, because the food that was stored in the rumen, in the first chamber of the stomach, that was partially digested. वो अभी मतलब partially कन्वर्ट हुआ था सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस में. नाउ द काउ हैज़ टू ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू, यू कैन से कम्प्लीटली इंटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस. अभी काउ ने उसको अच्छी तरह से ब्रेक डाउन करना है इंटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस. सो दैट्स वाई काउ ब्रिंग्स इट बैक इंटू हर माउथ फ्रॉम द रेटिकुलम फॉर कंप्लीट डाइजेशन. Now the cow will chew this food for a longer period of time without taking any break. Clear? Now this process is known as rumination. ठीक है. The second time when the cow is chewing the food for a longer period of time in her mouth, that process is known as rumination. Then after chewing it properly, then that food will re-swallowed. ठीक है. काउ उसको वापस अंदर लेके जाएगी. then it will passes through the rest of the chambers. first of all it will goes to the, first of all ये कहाँ पे जाएगा? it will go to the third chamber of the stomach, that is known as omasum. That is known as the omasum. Clear? So now what omasum will do? Omasum will absorb. क्या absorb करेगा omasum? Omasum will absorb all the all you can say yes, the omasum will do the complete digestion of the food. Okay. Now then after that that food will you can say went to the fourth chamber, that is known as abomasum. That is known as abomasum. Clear? And after that if some breakdown is left over there, then that will takes place in the abomasum. And after that the food will move to the small intestine. ठीक है. this is the small intestine of the cow. This is the small intestine of the cow and this one is the large intestine. Okay. then it will move to the small intestine. And what is the function of small intestine? That it will absorb all the nutrients from the food and the undigested food moves to the large intestine. Clear? And then finally the solid waste material that is present in the large intestine, it will store into the, you can say, rectum, and later on it will remove out of the body of the cow through an opening known as anus. Clear? So this is the whole process of digestion of cellulose, that how cellulose is, you can say, digested in herbivores. Okay. Now the next one is nutrition in amoeba. न्यूट्रिशन इन अमीबा. नाउ अमीबा क्या है बेटा? अमीबा इज अ सिंगल सेल्ड माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिज्म. सिंगल सेल से बना होता है. ठीक है. लाइक ह्यूमन बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ यू कैन से सो मेनी सेल्स. Clear? So that's why it is known as multicellular organism. But amoeba is a unicellular organism because it is made up of a single cell. If you have attended my online class, I have shown you the video also, that how amoeba takes its nutrition, and I also show you the video of, you can say, these ruminants, that how a cow is able to digest the cellulose. है ना, मैंने आपको दिखाया था ना, those who have attended my online class. So amoeba, here I will simply tell you, I will not show you any video, I will simply tell you that how amoeba takes its nutrition. ठीक है. सो अमीबा वी कैन मोस्टली फाउंड अमीबा इन फ्रेश वाटर और इन वेट सॉइल. वी कैन नॉट सी अमीबा विद आर नेक्ड आई. जैसे हम काओ बफलो को तो ऐसे ही देख सकते हैं विद आर नेक्ड आई, बट अमीबा वी कैन नॉट सी विद नेक्ड आई. क्लियर? सो टू सी द अमीबा वी नीड अ माइक्रोस्कोप. हमें किस चीज़ की नीड होती है? माइक्रोस्कोप की नीड होती है. क्लियर? एंड इट फीड्स ऑन अदर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. So how amoeba takes its nutrition? First of all, the outer layer of the amoeba, this is known as cell membrane. ठीक है. This outer layer is cell membrane, and this outer layer or cell membrane has some extensions. ठीक है. ये क्या है? इसकी extensions हैं. ठीक है. These are known as pseudopodia. These are known as pseudopodia or pseudopodium. So with the help of these pseudopodium, amoeba is able to take its nutrition, and these pseudopodia are also known as false foot. false foot of amoeba, because amoeba keeps on changing its shape and size, so that's why these are known as false foot. So first step in nutrition in amoeba is ingestion. Clear? So first step is ingestion. So whenever amoeba senses its food, ठीक है, जब भी अमीबा को अपना फूड सेंस होता है, इसको पता चलता है दैट आउटर देयर इज समवेयर इज फूड लाइज ऑन, दैट इट इनगल्फ्स द फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सूडोपोडिया. एज यू कैन सी हेयर, as you can see in the first step, it engulfs the food with the help of pseudopodia की हेल्प से इसने फूड को इनगल्फ कर लिया. ठीक है. then the cell membrane pinches off forming the food vacuole that encloses the food. उसके बाद क्या होगा, ठीक है, जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है वो थोड़ी सी रप्चर हो जाएगी और हमारा जो फूड है वो अमीबा के अंदर चला जाएगा. एंड देयर विल बी अ outer layer will form around the food that is known as food vacuole. Clear everyone? Then after that inside the amoeba, ठीक है, there will be digestive enzymes that will be present inside the body of amoeba and these enzymes will attack on the food. ये enzymes क्या करेंगे, food के ऊपर attack करेंगे. Clear? Then our food will be broken down into simpler substances like here. तो वो फूड किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस में विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस. ओके. देन व्हाट विल हैपन, then the nutrients that are present in this simpler substances they will be absorbed by the amoeba. तो वो amoeba उनको absorb कर लेगा. now there is some leftover food, or you can say undigested food, ठीक है, left inside the amoeba. now how amoeba will remove this? now again this leftover or wastage food will come near to the cell membrane. ठीक है, ये सेल मेम्ब्रेन के पास आ जाएगा. अगेन द सेल मेम्ब्रेन विल रप्चर, सेल मेम्ब्रेन थोड़ी सी टूट जाएगी एंड दिस वेस्ट मटेरियल विल come out of the body. It will come out of the body. Clear? So this is how a nutrition takes place in unicellular organism. Unicellular means जो एक ही सेल के बने होते हैं. इनके अंदर like human body there is no digestive system, there is no excretory system, there is no circulatory system. कोई सिस्टम नहीं होता ऐसा because they are made up of only one cell. क्लियर एवरीवन? एक ही सेल के बने होते हैं. ठीक है, अगर एक से ज़्यादा सेल के बने होते तभी तो आगे ऑर्गन्स बनते. ठीक है, और फिर ऑर्गन्स मिलके क्या बनाते, ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स. बट देयर इज ओनली वन सेल प्रेजेंट, दैट्स वाई दे हैव नो ऑर्गन सिस्टम इनसाइड देयर बॉडी एंड दिस इज हाउ दे टेक देयर न्यूट्रिशन. क्लियर? and I have shown you video also, YouTube video, that how they take their nutrition. ठीक है, those who have attended they have already seen. So with this I think we have completed our chapter. हमारा chapter complete हो गया. So I hope you all understand the chapter. Please read this topic at home. If you will not read, then nothing you will be there will be no use of watch this video and to attend the Zoom classes, because then you will not understand anything. Clear everyone? So please read the topic. Now we will meet with a new chapter in the next video. Till then, bye bye everyone.